Hello everyone, how are you today? Thank you for joining on my another live stream today. This is the 24th of February on Wednesday. So first of all, I'm sorry that I wasn't able to do the live stream of video yesterday and also the day before because I was pretty busy at night in Japan time, so I wasn't able to record a video or do the live stream. So today we check some charts by Ichimoku Kinko and see what's happening right now in the market. So for those who are new to my channel, my name is Kei and I am a Japanese full-time Forex trader in Tokyo, Japan. And in my YouTube channel, I check charts, I analyze trades, and I check charts and analyze markets and see what's happening by Ichimoku Kinko. And my main purpose of my channel is to help you become a non-losing trader, as it says here, because I think non-losing is more important than just simply winning the trades, because that's exactly where the psychology is. So yep, let's get started. So before starting here, just a quick disclaimer, this information is basically based on my experience and knowledge, so when you take trades, please do within risk. Okay, so first of all, I would like to talk about the pound JPY, because this is kind of interesting. In a daily chart right now, it's been a stable uptrend. We can see Kumo's up, over here Kumo's up, and green one Kijun Sen is up, and Tenkan Sen blue one is also up, and Chikou span is above the candles. So we can clearly see that this is a stable uptrend. And one thing that I look at in this case is a psychological line. There is a psychological line of 150 level. This is the exact number, so the market tends to watch these exact numbers and it might reverse. So now I see the Kumo, Kijun Sen, Tenkan Sen, and Chikou span all bullish, so I don't see any sign of retracement, but it might happen in lower time frames. You know, every time the market retracement happens from lower time frames, and eventually it affects the higher time frames. So yeah, in that sense, I think we better look at the lower time frames and see how this wick is forming right now, because this is a daily chart, and simply if you see the daily chart, we don't see the detail of the market. So in this case, I look at the 5-minute chart to see if there is any sign of reversal, and that's a topic for today. Alright, so let's see. Thank you for joining everyone. I see another traders coming in today. Alright, Karim 1, and Crystal, Giorgio, James, TikTok lover, and Jagdish, Mai, Tuan, Roberto, Oscar, Samrat, and Tam. Alright, Restless, thank you for joining everyone. Good to see you here. So yeah, so let's see. So because we are at the exact number of 150 level on this pound yen, and also previously there was a previous high. If you look at the chart, if you look all the way back in the past, then we have exactly the high over here on the 18th of May 2018. There was a previous high exactly at this level, and that's why the market might reverse from here. So now it's reaching all the way from since this day, since 22nd of September last year, it's been bullish, and now it's reaching towards the previous high on the monthly chart. And actually that's exactly what I stated on the today's analysis here. Today, this is my official TradingView account that I just newly created about 15 days ago. I created this new account, and below here I have the post about this currency, pound JPY. About 6 hours ago I posted, and I stated exactly like that. So once again, pound JPY, it's a continuous bull market because in the daily chart, Kumo Senko span BA up, and Kijun Sen is up, Tenkan Sen is up, and Chikou span above the candles. And now market is reaching to the psychological line of 150, which is the previous high from the 18th of May 2018. So the market might consolidate at this level. So we need solid risk management here. So let's see. So this is the daily confirmation, it's uptrending. And then I look at the lower time frames. I look at the one. In one, it's consolidating, it's flat. Now we see Kumo flat, and Kijun Sen is flat. So we don't see any bullishness in this case in 1 hour chart. And let's look at the 30. In 30-minute chart, it's uptrending. We see Kumo's up, Senko span A up, and Kijun Sen is upwards. However, the price is between Kijun Sen and the Kumo. And also Chikou span shows the consolidating market. Chikou span shows a range because it's touching the candles now. So yeah, from 30-minute chart, I can see that this is the range market now. So until I see next time bullish confirmation in lower time frame, I won't look for the buy chance. Yeah, Oliver, Mariano, and Golden. All right, Robert, Kiel, Bupen, Edwin, Jeremiah, Trader Robbie, Penzer, Mr. Fernandez. Thank you for joining, everyone. Great to see you here. Oh, by the way, I have the violin displayed in the back. So yeah, I used to have the violin in the back, but not anymore because I actually moved to this new place, and now I have a violin in the back again. So anyways, yeah, this is uptrending, but now in mid time frames, in 1 hour chart, in 30, this is ranging. So I see once rejected over here at this exact number, and also twice it was rejected. But this is still in the middle of N wave, bullish, because the lows are technically higher. If I can squeeze the chart a bit more, you can see this is, the lows are still higher and higher this way. So unless the market breaks the previous low or the Kumo, this is uptrending. So we'll see if it continues to go up or not this week. But now it's ranging, so not exactly a good time to look for buy chance yet. Hello, Boss Play. Thank you for joining from India. Good to see you here. Alright. I don't think you have to take trades in the Kumo. If the price is in the Kumo, then no trades. So it's exactly what's happening on Euro USD. Euro USD, the daily chart, the Kumo is exactly at the price level now. The market has been in the Kumo and just ranging. So in this case, no trades. And also future Kumo shows flat, and Chikou span touching with the candles. So this is a sign of range in the daily chart. So not a good timing to follow trends. But pound yen is a nice uptrend. So I continuously look for the buy chance on these mid time frames. So in 1 hour chart, the Senko span is up. So I'm waiting for the Kijun Sen to go up to look for buy chance in lower time frame, which are 15 or 5. I usually take trades in 5 or 15 minute chart so that my stop loss can be minimized, can be as tight as possible. But when it comes to the reward, or when it comes to target, I take higher time frames, meaning I take H4 or the daily chart is my target. And the mid time frames H1 or 30 are for the confirmation of the major trend direction. So until I see the sign of uptrending in H1 or 30, I will just hold. And in the case of pound yen, in 1 hour chart it's flat, a Kijun Sen flat, and also in 30-minute chart, the price is in between a Kijun Sen and the Kumo. Although we see Kumo up, Kijun Sen up, the price is exactly in the middle. And also Kijun Sen is the Chikou span is overlapping. Chikou span, the yellow Chikou span is exactly overlapping with the candles. So in this case, I wait for the price to come above the Kijun Sen and also Chikou span break. Then I look at the M5, M15 to look for the buy chance then. And in this case, that's what I will be waiting for. So if you look at the market like this in multiple time frames, you can actually you can start from bigger picture in the daily chart and break it down to 5 to see exactly where to buy, where to sell. And basically that's what I do every time I look at charts and take trades. Alright, let's see. Trizak says, I missed the first 6 minutes. Will this be available to watch later for after the live session? Yes, this is on archive. Everything on my past lives and videos are saved on archive, so you can always enjoy the archive. Yeah, you can simply come to my YouTube channel and enjoy the archive videos. Alright, Doan, thank you for joining. Good to see you here. Alright, Oscar says, I've learned the Ichimoku setup details from you and I'm using with cryptos and it's working very well. Taking a little more risk before putting the stop losses. Sure. Yeah, so if you look at this way, the market in multiple time frames, I think this is reversal. I've backtested it on stock market indexes and commodities and it works, but I haven't backtested it yet on cryptos, so I'm not sure, but looks like it's working. So yeah, you can keep this minor and take trades. Look at the markets this way. Hello Arman, thank you for joining from Senegal. Good to see you here. Good to see you from Japan. Let's see. Alright. George says, Mr. K, do you use Ichimoku also in smaller time frames? No, I don't. I only use Ichimoku in M30 or above. I don't use Ichimoku in M5, M15 or 1 minute. I don't use Ichimoku because Ichimoku is good to capture bigger picture of the market, to oversee the bigger situation, like a bird's eye view. That's good for Ichimoku. but not really good for lower time frames. Like 5 or 15, especially 1 minute, has lots of ups and downs, and it's got noises in the market. And Ichimoku takes the high and low for a certain period in the past. For example, Tenkan-sen takes the high and low price for the last 9 candles, and Kijun-sen takes high and low for the last 26, and Senko Span Bish takes the high and low for the last 52 candles. And if the market spikes up and down, then Ichimoku gives you lots of fake signals. So that means that sometimes Tenkan-sen, Kijun-sen cross might not gonna work so well, and Chikou span breakout might not gonna work so well, or Kumo breakout becomes a bit unreliable as compared to higher time frames. And that's why I think Ichimoku is not really for these spiky markets. And yeah, that's actually one of the reasons why I don't use Ichimoku in lower time frames. And also time cycles or these price theories are available in the daily chart, or Kyushu legs are available in the weekly chart. So this is, I think Ichimoku works better in higher time frames. At least 30-minute chart or above is my recommendation. Yep, let's check CAD JPY now. Let's see, so let's check the daily chart in CAD JPY. I saw it's uptrending. Yep, it's been uptrending still, looks like. Yeah, so the previous high is 84.75 from 20th of February last year. This is the previous high level, 84.75. So I think the price can reach to that level. And now it's uptrending. Daily chart broke the forecast lines, and in H1 it's consolidating. So I wait for the breakout to look for buy. And in terms of 30, it's uptrending. So yeah, 30-minute chart is uptrending, so I can look at the lower time frames to look for the buy chance. So I look at the 15 or 5. I use Bollinger Bands and stochastics and lies and price actions in these lower time frames. So in 15, I don't see a sign of uptrend. I do see pin bar. But basically in this case, I wait for the breakout over here. Or in 5-minute chart, let's see. In 5, also I don't see a sign of uptrend either. This is reversing the wave in 5. So it might continue to go down this way. So unless the market breaks above, I won't look for buy chance in this case. Let's see, the Tokyo session. Hold on. Let's take the 5-minute chart. And yep, so Tokyo session breakout already happened at 83.98 was the Tokyo session high, and now it's broken upwards. So I expect the market continue to go up this way today until the end of New York session. But I'm still looking for the edge, exact buying edge where there are more buyers and sellers in the market. Now I see in 5 there are more sellers than buyers because we have reversing the wave, broke the previous low. So this is in reversing the wave in 5. So actually this is one of the types of the reversal confirmations. Like I said earlier, the market reverse happens from lower time frames. So in 5-minute chart, we see this head and shoulders, and broke the neckline, and there's a retest now. The market has been retesting this neckline, So I have to wait and see if this is going to be continuous bearish or it's going to break above and retest and goes up this way. I want to see which way the market's going to go in 5, then decide whether to buy or not. So no rush. Please confirm these buyers and sellers powers in the market and decide whether to buy or hold. And price action tells you exactly what's happening. So yeah, better to master price action first, in my opinion. Alright, let's see. Knife says, does a strategy work for option trading? Personally, I don't trade options, so I'm not sure. Because I only take trades in Forex. Let's see what else I can find. Is there any way to find the trend in Kumo? Yeah, you can basically look at the Kumo direction. So now in this CAD JPY, CAD JP, this is uptrending in the daily chart because the Kumo is uptrending. You can see this, the Kumo is uptrending, and also the lower part of the Kumo is called the Senko Span B, and the upper part is called the Senko Span A when it's up Kumo, and you can look at these angles. Yeah, that's what I see here. So if I see both A and B to be uptrending, then this is a good confirmation for the uptrend. And also Kijun Sen is important. Kijun Sen angle is important too. So I take either Senko Span B and Kijun Sen or Senko Span A and Kijun Sen for the trend confirmation. In this case, both Senko Span A and B are trending up, and also Kijun Sen is up also because the market is renewing higher. So this is a good uptrend confirmations. Hello Jack Smith, thank you for joining. Good to see you. And once again, sorry that I wasn't able to do the live stream or upload a video for the last 2 days because I was too busy to do this. So hopefully you enjoy today's live stream. Let's see. Aman says, Kay, do you sometimes take the trade as in exaggeration, or you only take the position in which you are 100% confident, like after checking the price with each Ichi stochastic moving average? I never become 100% confident. It's impossible. I never will become like that. I only take trades where there is an edge. So edge meaning where the risk, where I can take minimum risk and expect a much bigger reward. And if you look at the market, there are these edges in the market, and that's where I take trades. And if it goes backwards, then simply I exit. If it goes towards my direction, then I just basically first of all move the stop loss to break even and trail the profit along the way. But one thing for sure is I never jump in, or I never trust someone else's analysis. I make my own analysis and take trades, and basically that's what I would like you to do too. Yep, Tourist Talk, you're welcome. You're welcome. Jeremiah says, hi Kay, also do you see the triangles on that 30 minutes? Triangles in this pair? let's see, was it this is N wave, this is a bullish N wave, and let's see, was it pound JPY? Yeah, pound JPY 30-minute chart. This is in P wave, yeah, this is in triangle. The highs are lower and the lows are higher, so this is triangle. Yeah. And Chikou span touching with the candles, and the Tenkan-sen, Kijun-sen is exactly overlapping, so I'm not sure which way it's breaking. If it's going to be resisted at this exact number, then this might become a triple top, and after the neckline break, it might become a continuous downtrend like this way. Yeah, the pound name, I mean the pairs name are actually here, British pound, Japanese yen, it says over here. Euro AUD, alright, let's check Euro AUD now. Let's see, Euro AUD daily chart by Ichimoku, now it's downtrending. It just broke the previous low. There were a couple of supports in the past at this 1.528 area. It's been testing over here, and it looks like this is breaking, and that's why the Kumo and Kijun-sen are going down. However, in this case, I don't take sell right now because I want to see if this candle close is going to be below the previous low or not. So we have another 7 and 31 minutes until this daily close, and if it closes below, then from tomorrow I expect the market continue to go down this way. But if this closes above, or if this becomes a bullish candle at the end of the today, and this might become like a pin bar, and from tomorrow it might reverse upwards this way. So in this particular situation, because this is not done broken, it's breaking as a progressive state, so I won't jump in like in this case. And let's check H4. Yeah, H4 also shows flatness. Kumo's flat. And yeah, Kijun-sen, Tenkan-sen both flat right now. And Chikou span below the candles. So I can still see that this is bearish. I can still see that this is bearish as this moving on this bearish in the waves. So this is downtrending at the moment. So, but now it's consolidating. It's getting into the range now. So I think this is another important point to remember if you want to capture the sign of reversal. Is that the sometimes I see this one too. I see these lows. How deep the lows are broken. So, for example, in this case, in this forward chart, from this candlestick over here was the swing low, and the next low is over here. And in between, there is 33 pips, or 34 pips almost. So this is 34 pips from this low to this one. And from this low to the next one, let's see how many pips. And this is, you can see that this is 16.5. So this is 16 pips of a downtrend. And then from this low to the current low, how many pips it is? This is only like 10 pips. And even before that, from this low to this one over here, this was a 58 pips. So you can see that the market is losing its downtrend, bearishness in this case, because whenever it breaks the previous low, it's getting, the pips are getting lower and lower. So when you see this kind of like a pattern, then this might become reverse and goes up this way. This might become a head and shoulders, and then it might reverse backwards like this way. So how, after the previous breakout, how far the market moves is also important. And if it's getting less and less, then you have to expect the reversal. I mean, I'm not saying that this is going to be 100%, but this is one of the ways to notice the change in the market. Alright, Jack Smith says, with KTS strategy, I did 40 trades in the backtest in Forex Tester and the result was very bad. 21 trades were lost and only 10 trades were profitable and 9 trades for break-evens. So what is the profit factor of these trades? And also what's the stop loss strategy? When I talk about the strategy, I don't simply talk about the entry strategies. I also talk about the exit timing, and also risk management is also important. And when you move the stop loss break even is also important. Because if you see my performance on my website, you can come to my profile page and you can see the result. But for example, like last December, let's see, last December, my win rate was only 30%. My win rate was only 30%. So out of 10 trades in the month of December, I won only 3 times, and I lost 4 times, and break-evens 3 times. So to calculate the win rate, I don't take break-even as win, I take break-even as a loss, and that's why my win rate is a bit lower. But if you don't have a decent stop loss strategy and also trading profit strategies, then yes, you might have a worse result. Yeah, and basically that's what I exactly teach on this GTS class. This is hands-on training, and only up to 5 members for 3 months I teach my strategy. So I do use Ichimoku, and I have knowledge about Ichimoku, and that's why I run Ichimoku community to talk about Ichimoku deeply. But at the same time, I am a Forex trader. I'm a pro and a full-time Forex trader, and this is my main source of income. So and I am not a professional. I'm not a Ichimoku. I'm not here to teach Ichimoku. I share Ichimoku knowledge, but I think more important thing is that we have to master how to take trades over time. And Ichimoku knowledge can be a great help, and that's why I talk about it. Yeah. Let's see. Oscar says, just need to select very well the coin uptrend. Yep, that's true. TikTok lover says, hello, Mr. K. For example, in one day there are several Forex pairs trending. How I choose to take a position? One thing, So now there are a couple pairs trending on the daily chart. So these red ones are the ones that are trending. So I see Euro AUD is trending down, Euro Pound is also trending down. Oh, this is nice downtrend. And Euro JPY is also the nice uptrend, and Euro CAD downtrend, Euro CHF downtrending. And I see these multiple currencies trending. And which one to pick to take trade is the one that has the most stable trend. Meaning if I see a thick Kumo and long Kumo like this is one of the pairs that I take trades. But this one, I see long wick today, so I think I will avoid this one because there is a resistance at this point. So I prefer to choose Pound JPY because the Kumo is longer and this is also thick Kumo here, and the wick is a bit shallow. And Pound USD, this is almost like doji candle now. So I see the sellers are coming into the market. So I don't think I will choose Pound USD. Because if you see lower time frames, it should be flat. So you know. And let's see. So yeah, AUD JPY is also nice because the wick is very tiny. So I can still see the bullishness in this market after the breakout of these forecast lines. So you can focus on this Kumo thickness and how long the wicks are forming at that moment. Then you can choose which one to take trades. And also what I do is in terms of volatility, I check the currency strength chart. And see which currency pair is the most volatile. So now I see NZD and JPY. This pair is the most volatile, and the second volatile market is CAD JPY. So I don't take trades on New Zealand. So I would look at CAD JPY. This must be uptrending now. So if Kumo also shows uptrend on CAD JPY, then I will look for buy chance in this one. So this is another way which one to pick to take trades. On cryptos, it works in 15 and 30 minute chart day trade. H4, H1 or swing trade. Yep. If I see 30 minute chart, do I need to see higher time frame first? Yeah, you have to always look at the higher time frame first and then break it down to the lower time frames. So you never start from from lower time frames, because you want to see the bigger picture first and then break it down to lower time frames. Alright, yeah, let's take a look at the USD CAD. So we have lots of trending pairs. So USD CAD is over here. So this is downtrending as per Ichimoku, and it broke the P wave downwards now, and Kumo shows downtrending, Senko span B down, A down, and Kijun Sen, Tenkan Sen both down, and Chikou span below the candles. So I expect the market continue to go down this way, but the thing is that now we have the doji candle forming. So in this case, I will look at the lower time frames to see how this doji candle is forming at the moment. So I look at the 4, and H4 is in the range now. H4 is in the range, Kumo flat, Kijun Sen flat, so it's consolidating. So I wait for the breakout of the previous low at this 1.255 and look for the sell chance then. Because if Kumo goes flat and Kijun Sen goes flat in H4, then in H4 the market might come back to the Kijun Sen initially. So it's consolidating, it's retracing. So I won't look for a sell chance on this one at the moment. Oh, TikTok lover, thank you for the reminder. Yeah, so if you liked today's live stream, please press a good button. And please click the subscribe and click the bell button afterwards so that you get notified as I do the lives of videos on my YouTube channel. And thank you for joining everyone. Thank you for the participation. I hope you're having a great day today. Oh, 2-1, you're welcome. You're welcome. Alright, Giorgio says, Mr. K, in a lower time frame, which is the indicator that you prefer in order to check divergence in high-low price? Stochastics or RSI? I prefer RSI. Sorry, I prefer stochastics to RSI. Yeah, I used to use RSI, but not anymore because stochastics for me was better with my strategy. Yeah, pound JPY is trending and it's reaching towards a psychological line 150 level. So yeah, you can check that one also. Alright, Borod says, hello Kay, what do you think about multi-time frame Ichimoku? I think that's good, because that's what I do. I look at the charts in multiple time frames by Ichimoku and check trend and confirm the trends. Tell me about gold direction. Oh, gold. Alright. Let's check the gold. Last week, it was coming down to the Senko span B level of the weekly chart. So let's see what's happening now. So I look at the weekly chart gold. And yep, so it's consolidating now. This is exactly in the range. So I don't even look at the gold at the moment because it's just ranging. The price is in the Kumo on the weekly chart. So looks like last week the price was supported by this Senko span B level and this 1760, and it was supported twice, and before that there was a resistance. So this was the reversal after the rejection, retest and breakout. Now the market coming back down and be supported twice. However, this is still the descending trend line. This is still descending P wave. So I see that there are more sellers and buyers in the market in the weekly chart. And let's see. So here is a daily chart. Last week it was supported and now it's ranging. So there is no direction. Yes, Kumo is bearish on the daily chart, but the Kijun Sen flat. So I don't see any sign of up or down trend at the moment. I think this is more of downtrending than uptrending. So if market breaks the previous low, once again at this 1716, then I will look for sell chance. Because I can see that there are buyers in the market too. right? As the market goes up this way, as the market tries to go up every time, like this way, there are stop loss orders, and where the stop loss orders are actually below or at this 1760 area. So this is where they put the stop losses for these buyers. So I can see that once it breaks, then it takes these stops and continues to go down this way. And if it happens, then I will just follow the downtrend. That will be my view. But unless it happens, I just hold and wait. Alright, yeah, AUD JPY is also trending right now. Hello Mohammed, thank you for joining. Good to see you here, good to see you. Let's see. Alright, Golam says, I have serious issue about when to take profit when I'm holding the trade many times hit my break even. So yeah, the exit timing is important. Yeah, basically exit timing is when Kumo goes flat and Kijun-sen goes flat. I look for the exit timing. If it hits my break even, then simply I look for the next opportunity, because you're not losing, so nothing to worry about. Let's see. Emin says, someone said if you start to receive heading comment on your work, it means you're doing well with your work and success. Haters always hate. Oh, haters. Oh, okay. Yeah, I don't really, care about the haters or these spammers in the chat, because I more feel sorry for you, for a serious learner on this YouTube live stream, because they are wasting your time to run all these spams. So for me, it's okay, because this is free, this is in public. So there's nothing I can do about it. I can just report, I can just delete, and I can just ban them, but that's about it that I can do. But I think I feel more it's wasting your time for these serious learners, and that's my pain in my soul every time I see these hating comments. Alright, let's see. Jeremiah says, risk management is a key. You can know analysis, but poor risk management will kill account. That's true, because that's exactly what happened to me when I first started the Forex trades. I never knew how to put the stop loss. I never knew what the stop loss was. So I didn't place a stop loss, and next day I lost the account. $10,000 I lost in one night. That wasn't gold. So that's how I come to learn the stop loss strategies in risk management, lot sizing, position sizing, and trading profit, trading stop strategy, and break-even strategy. I start to learn. So yeah, I can talk about, of course, the market analysis, Ichimoku knowledge, but I think the risk management and also psychological management is as important as these trading strategies. I mean, technical analysis, I think it's more important. Yeah. Let's see. Mirin says, hello Kay, Ichimoku is amazing. Thank you so much. I'm happy to be part of this community. Sure, you're welcome. I'm glad you found me so that you can see market by Ichimoku in this way. Let's see. Yeah, I was Jack Smith. So make sure you have the risk management skill also when you backtest. All right. Good night. Thank you for joining. Euro USD. Yeah, Euro USD is exactly in the range. Let's see. Yeah, so here is the Euro USD daily chart, exactly in the range. Yeah, the price is within the Kumo here. Both Tenkan-sen, Kijun-sen are in the Kumo also. Kumo flat, Chikou span touching. So this is like the a range like from textbook. So no trace in this case. Okay, let's see. T20 says, would you please look at pound AUD? Looking bullish. All right, pound AUD. Oops, this one is not pound AUD. This is flat. Yeah, this is just like Euro USD. The Kumo flat, and price is exactly in the Kumo here. Kijun-sen flat. Chikou span is still very close to the candles. It's in the range, no trends and no trace. How to draw the forecast lines? Oh yeah, the forecast lines, I have talked about it in the past, but forecast lines are like this. This is a part of the Ichimoku strategy, but yeah, so you take the previous high. So for example, if you look at the market, like on this day, then the swing high was over here, and you take one line from the high to the Kumo, and another one from the high to the Kumo, when it was forming at this swing high. So, and these are the forecast lines. And basically you wait until the market comes on this day. On this 10th of February, you just wait. And if the price lands above the forecast lines, then it can continuously goes up this way. If it lands in the Kumo, then you can expect the market in the range for some more days. And if it becomes below, then it goes down this way. So this is forecast lines. Forecast. Like weather forecasts, like forecast lines. Alright, Carlos, thank you for joining. Good to see you here. Alright, James says, when price breaks new low, do you look at M5, M15 for price to retest and then look for a sell chance? I don't really wait for the retest. I wait for the retest on higher time frames, but I don't really wait for the retest on these lower time frames. If lower time frames give me 3 confirmations to enter, then I just enter before the breakout. And I expect the breakout. Otherwise, I just exit. And I exit before the market hits a stop loss. Whenever I see this sign of reversal after I take a trade, then I exit. So usually I don't let the market run until it hits a stop loss. So this is a part of the risk management. As soon as you see the market goes against you, after you take a trade, then you have to exit. Hello Farhad, thank you for joining. Good to see you here. AUD USD please. Let's see, AUD USD. This is the one. And let me forward the chart until today. So it's forming doji candles. 2 consecutive doji candles. And looks like it's losing its uptrend. But we still see Kumo up and Kijun Sen Tenkan Sen up. And Chikou span above the candles. So still bullish, but now it's ranging. So in this case, I look at the lower time frame. Let's see, let's check the 1 hour chart and see how it behaves. Okay, in 1 hour chart, this is ranging, no trend. So better to wait until the breakout of the high 0.7945. I wait for the breakout and look for the buy chance. And also the Kumo is getting very thin like this. Kumo's getting very thin. So this is exactly range. It's losing volatility. So yeah, there's no trend in this case. Alright, hello Thu in Shiva, Robert, thank you for joining. Alright, hello Eric, thank you for joining, good to see you. You can always join late, no problem, no problem. Oh, Rohan says, sorry, your analysis is superb, thank you for your excellent guidance. You're welcome. I hope you enjoy and get something new from my analysis. Hello Mizan, thank you for joining, good to see you here. Very nice to see you. Let's see. Christopher says, are you married, Kay? Yeah. I have a partner, yeah, I'm married. Yeah, you're welcome. I have Shiba dog. And he's coming with me to Dubai. Oh, Mr. Fernandez, thank you for the reminder also. So yeah, if you liked today's live stream, then please press a good button on this live stream so that it keeps me going. Hello Celio, thank you for joining, good to see you here. Okay, Celio says, I recently discovered that the Kijun Sen is basically the 50% Fibonacci for the last 26 candles. Yep, that's true. Kijun Sen is 50% Fibonacci for the last 26, and Tenkan Sen is for the last 9 candles, and Senko Span B is for the last 51 candles. Night Fury says, K, one question, how do you deal with volatile movements with Ichimoku? When it's volatile, like in the range, for example like this, then Ichimoku shows it's a range market. So you know that's not the timing to take trade. Well, at least for me, I don't take trades when it's ranging. The volatile market, when it spikes up and down, especially when it continues its market direction, then you can just follow it by Ichimoku until it comes back to Kijun Sen. You can basically keep trading the profit. So in this case, in one, after the break of the Kijun Sen, after the break of the Kijun Sen and P wave, in price action it was P wave, and also the Kijun Sen break, P wave breakout. Then you can keep following it until the market comes back to the Kijun Sen. So if you place a buy over here, then when it touches Kijun Sen, next time will be the exit time. That's the Ichimoku strategy. Alright, USD JPY, it's ranging. Ahmad, you're welcome. I hope you enjoyed today's analysis. Thank you for the comment. Pound USD and Pound JPY. Pound JPY, I already talked about it, so you can enjoy the archive. But let's talk about Pound USD. And let's see, daily chart. I see long wick for today's candlestick. And but still the Kumo is up, Tenkan Sen, Kijun Sen up, and Chikou span above the candles. So the market still shows up trending direction. So because this is in a daily chart, I want to see how this wick is forming. So I look at the lower time frames and see how these wicks are forming. If I see, for example, like head and shoulders in 1 hour chart or in lower time frames and going downwards now, then from tomorrow it might continue to go down this way. But if it doesn't like that, and if it becomes like a N wave and test over here and like breaks down this way all the way, and now it's still going up, then I can see that there is a still uptrend like confirmation. So that's why I want to see how this wick's forming in lower time frames. So let's check 1 hour. Okay, so here is an 1 hour chart, and the daily chart started from here. On this red vertical line was where the daily started, and yeah, so there was a long wick upwards, looking like there was a double top, and now it's retracing backwards. However, I can still see bullishness in this case because the lows are still higher. Well, actually over here the lows are at the same level, so I would draw the horizontal line over here because I see the previous support and also a couple of resistances in the back. So looks like the market is supported at this level, 1.4094 level, and if the market continues to go up on this bullish wave, then I expect the market breaks upwards like this way. But once it violates downwards, then from tomorrow it might continue to go down. So in this case, I will keep an eye on this market level, 1.4094 level, and see if it breaks or not. Alright, so yeah, thank you for the comments, everyone. Let me quickly go over these comments. Which part of Ichimoku can that tell you if the price is overbuying or oversell? You can look at the Kumo formation. If it's too thin Kumo, then that's overbought or oversold. You have to have a stable, thick and long Kumo for the stable trend. So like over here too. Earlier you saw there was a thin Kumo over here. So if you see market over here, this was okay. I mean, this was a stable up Kumo. But on the next candlestick, I can forward one candlestick over here. On the next one, the market shoots all the way up, and you see very thin Kumo like this. And when you see this with a wick like this, then this is a sign of reversal because this is overheated and it can retrace backwards. So Kumo thickness is how you can read this overbought, oversold market. What if the Tenkan-sen is flat but Kijun-sen trending? Do you consider it consolidation or trending? It's still trending. Span A is flat and span B is trending. Yeah, then it's trending. For the USD CAD, I think the first signal of uptrend is 30-minute time frame. The doji, is it doji, doji, or doji? And the price is broke. The Kijun-sen 30-minute chart, but must be away because API this afternoon. Oh yeah, the news is important. Yeah, that's true. Let's see. Nitro Fury says also how you're able to control your emotions. You just have to get used to it. I think that's it. There's no shortcuts of how you can control your emotions. And it's up to how big your account is. If your account is too big, then you might also have some emotional struggles. Or if you're not used to losses or break-evens, then you might also have emotions. Even if you win, even if you have some lucky trades, then after you lose, then you might have emotional struggles. Let's see, Ahmed says, how can we calculate and draw the continuation of Kumo ourselves? Because I saw who did this and his calculations were accurate and he was able to calculate the snap of Kumo accurately. I don't calculate the thickness of the Kumo, so I'm not sure how he did it. I just see Kumo like this and see if this is thin or thick enough based on my own experience. Well, this one I use TradingView. I use TradingView as a platform, and this is my new account. Forex Tester official is my new account, and I share my analysis on this account, so you can follow me if you have the account also. AUD JPY, CAD JPY, my pairs right now, bullish. I hope it continues the trend. Yeah. Let's see, Eric. So yeah, coming back to the daily chart and AUD JPY. Yeah, this is a continuous uptrend. There is no wick high pointing up, so this is good and stable uptrend. So you can still be in a trade. And also CAD JPY. Yep, CAD JPY is also a nice uptrend. It broke the previous high now today and looks continuously bullish. So this one is also the good one. You can still be in a trade too. Yep. Yeah, do one. You're welcome. And Jeff, you're welcome too. Yeah, I do publish my Ichimoku ideas too on my this TradingView account. So yeah, you can enjoy my analysis like this. Alright, hello, thank you for joining everyone. Good to see you here. Very nice to see you. Alright. Carol says, why Dubai? Better for a professional trader? Yeah, I think so. Dubai is a nice place for traders, especially time zone. And tax also is tax-free in Dubai. capital gain, no tax. And time zone in Japan, I can't see the New York session, the whole New York session, because in Japan it gets too late. So yeah, you can also come to my second channel. I have the second channel, the link is on the below description. So you can enjoy my video on my second channel where I talk about some more personal lives and videos in Tokyo. When I visited Dubai last time, I clipped some videos in Dubai last year. So yeah, you can enjoy these videos and you can find the answers of why I moved to Dubai from Japan. Alright, Mr. Fernandez, see you soon. Thank you for joining. How about pound USD? Yeah, pound USD is like this. It's trending up, but there is a wick pointing upwards, so we have to be careful for the retracement from tomorrow. Hello, Yohun. Thank you for joining. Good to see you here. Glad you made it today. Thank you for joining. CAD JPYs broke the resistance at 84.24. Alright, so it might continue to go up. Have you lost any big due to lagged of Ichimoku at times? No, I don't. No, I don't, because now I have risk management skill, so I don't lose big. Every time I take trades, I only risk 2% of my account. So even the market goes backwards, it doesn't hurt big on my account. Mariano, you're welcome. Can you check pound CAD? Alright. Oh, this one also has a wick as of today's candlestick, and it's retracing. Daily shows up trending, but let's say in one, it's retracing. So if it breaks this level 1.771, then you don't wanna look for buy chance anymore. This is the last stand, or in H1 Senko span B is the last stand. So if it breaks, then no trades. But it might continue to go up this way still, because the lows are still higher. Technically, it's almost breaking lower, but as long as you see higher lows, then this is uptrend. It's on the end wave still. Let's see. Aaron says, I bought pound CHF on 1st February using the KTS strategy. I'm still holding it with the 600 pips in profit. Wow, good job, good job. According to the KTS, the market is too bullish. On the daily chart, I can still look for a buy chance. Let's see. Pound GBP CHF. Yeah, it is still uptrending. Let's see, in the daily chart, yeah, it's still uptrending. So you can still hold it, or you can look for another buy chance on this one. Let's see. Mr. K, why was my message deleted about Ichimoku backtest? Oh, I didn't delete any messages. I didn't do that. If you put some kind of like an email address or any sort of like personal information, then it's deleted automatically. Uchena, you're welcome, and Ahmad, you're welcome too. And Night Fury, thank you for the comment. Thank you for the comment. Tokyo session box work very well for CAD JPY and AUD JPY. Yeah, I've seen the Asian break, Tokyo session breakout happening today and also yesterday too. So looks like it's been a pattern on these JPY cross pairs. What's the name of the red drawing tool you use? Oh, this one. This drawing tool is on my Mac account, Mac application. This is Demo Pro. It's called a Demo Pro, and this is a Mac application. This is not the default on this trading view. I easily trades on MT5. I don't take trades on the trading view. I'm thinking to open a demo account on this trading view and share my trades on the trading view so that it might be easier for me to explain on my positions. I can show the MT5 screenshot or the screen, but if I do the live stream and launch the MT5 and trading view at the same time, it's kind of laggy. So recently I don't show MT5 due to these reasons. Okay, thank you for joining everyone. I think it's about the time to go. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed today's analysis. Hold on, let me delete this smiley face. Thank you for joining everyone. So yeah, so tomorrow I do the live stream as well, exactly at the same time for today as today. So you can also join and enjoy tomorrow's live stream as well. So yeah, I hope to see you again, and I hope we have a great day today, and hope you can catch some pips and trends in some profits this week as well. So good luck everyone. Until I see you next time, please stay healthy, stay safe, and stay gold. Bye for now. Mata ne. Thank you. Mata ne means see you in Japanese. So mata ne.